Good evening, everyone. I wanted to do this video as soon as I found out. I wanted to share this news with you that my team and I have learned within the last hour. This is really bombshell news. I'm shocked as I share this with you, although I shouldn't be. But we have learned that Senator Rand Paul has used this pandemic to put money in his pocket. We've lost over 600,000 of our loved ones across this country. Rand Paul knew how bad it would be, and he decided to choose profits instead of protecting you, us. Last year, February, before everything really broke out with the pandemic, before things shut down, Rand Paul's wife, his partner, bought stock in Gilead. Now, they are the owners of a drug called remdesivir. This is an antiviral cocktail that Trump tried to use himself. It's something that doesn't prevent COVID, but once you are infected, it is supposed to help treat you. In February of last year, Rand Paul's wife, his partner, bought stock in this drug, and Rand Paul didn't report it. He was supposed to report it within 45 days. He did not report it for over a year. And as the news broke with Kelly Loeffler and others who were engaged in insider trading, essentially, he stayed quiet. And as this pandemic raged and more lives were lost, he sought the opportunity to put money in his pocket and told you, don't wear a mask, and told you, don't get the vaccine. Is this why? Is this why he didn't want you to wear a mask? Is this why he didn't want you to get a vaccine? Did he want you to get COVID? Did he want you to suffer? We have to really ask these questions now, because how do you explain a member of the United States Senate having this information, knowing how deadly this virus would be, and instead of helping you, he voted against relief, continues to block it, continues to be in the way, bought stock in an antiviral drug that's supposed to treat people once they get COVID. I'm blown away, y'all. And, you know, there's the crime and then there's the cover-up. And the fact of the matter is, this is egregious, and it speaks to exactly who Rand Paul is. He has always seen us as a ladder, as a step stool. He has stepped on our backs. He does not care whether we live or die, literally. And this news reminds me of exactly why these types of politicians fight to keep us fighting amongst ourselves, to keep us sick, blocking healthcare, to keep us poor, to keep us struggling, while they put more money in their pockets and laugh to the bank. This is gross. This is so egregious that I am telling you right now, for the safety of our country, this Commonwealth, our future, Rand Paul needs to resign immediately. And it pains me to say that, because look, I don't need him to resign for this campaign. We beat him. This is not about that. This is not about me. This is about us as Kentuckians, as Americans, as human beings. I've lost an uncle to COVID. My former pastor passed from COVID. This is not a game, y'all. And for Rand Paul to do this while he is standing in his pulpit, telling you don't wear a mask, giving you all of this misinformation, saying that he wants to defund schools that want to keep our children safe, when he knew how bad this would be. I need y'all to know what's going on. I need you to understand. I need you to pay attention to this moment that we're in, because this is what happens in the political status quo, and we have to beat it. We have to beat it. I'm going to do my part with you. But for right now, this is crushing. This is crushing. Rand Paul needs to resign right now.